Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about my weekend. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is good for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. On Saturday morning, I wake up late. I wake up at 8:30. I stretch my body and smile. I go to the kitchen. I make some toast and drink a cup of tea. I feel happy because it is the weekend. After breakfast, I do some housework. I make my bed. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I open the windows to get some fresh air. A clean home makes me feel good. In the late morning, I go outside. I walk to a small shop near my house. I buy fruit, eggs, and bread. Sometimes I buy chocolate or juice. I pay the cashier and walk back home. In the afternoon, I relax. Sometimes I meet my friends. We sit and talk together. We laugh and share stories. Sometimes I stay at home. I read or watch short videos. On Saturday evening, I cook dinner. I make simple food. I cook rice and vegetables. Sometimes I make soup. I enjoy cooking slowly. After dinner, I rest. I watch a movie. I drink warm tea. I feel calm and peaceful. On Sunday morning, I wake up early. I sit near the window. I read a book for 20 minutes. Sometimes I listen to soft music. It helps me feel relaxed. At lunchtime, I visit my family. We eat together. We talk and laugh. We enjoy our time together. I love being with my family. In the afternoon, I get ready for the week. I wash my clothes. I fold them carefully. I prepare my bag. I write a small plan for Monday. On Sunday night, I go to bed early. I take a shower. I wear clean pajamas. I read a little. At 10 o'clock, I go to sleep. This is my weekend routine. What about you? What do you do on the weekend? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.